boy. You did it. Yay, you did it. The duck. Duck, quack, quack. Yeah, duck. Yeah. Duck got them all. You did it. Here, put that one back in. Go ahead, fix it. Fix it. Almost. Yay! There it goes. Yay! Good job. Now what one are you looking for? What are you going to do? The cow? Go ahead, take the cow. And put him back. Where's the cow go? Put it in there. Alright, got to keep turning it. Keep turning it. Oh, almost. Do it. No. Done. That's not going to fit here. That doesn't go here now, does it? No, it's not going to work. Nope. The sheep goes there. You go ahead, put the sheep back. Put the lamb. Put him back. Turn it around. That's it. Go ahead. Keep turning it. Look, keep turning it. It'll go in there. There you go. Go get the other one. Yeah, there it is. Down there. There it goes. There it is. Yeah, it has to go in there. You want to bring that up and we'll work on it?